Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Buttrey, and today I will be presenting my final design project for LIS 5255. For this project, I evaluated and redesigned portions of the Villages website located at www.thevillages.com. The focus of this redesign was to improve usability for older adults by reducing cognitive overload, improving accessibility, and creating simpler pathways for common information-seeking tasks. The Villages is a large, age-restricted community located in Central Florida that primarily serves adults aged 55 and older. When reviewing the website, I identified several design issues that may negatively affect older adults. First, the homepage contains streaming video content and numerous navigation options, which can create cognitive overload. Second, accessibility features are available, but difficult to locate because the accessibility icon blends into the page. Finally, the website does not fully accommodate common age-related challenges such as declining vision, reduced working memory, and difficulties navigating complex interfaces. These barriers can discourage older adults from finding the information they need. The primary audience for this website is adults aged 55 and older. I identified three primary user groups. The first group is current residents who want information about community events and activities. The second group consists of future residents who are researching a potential move to the Villages. The third group includes visitors who are planning trips and looking for information about accommodations and amenities. Research shows that older adults often encounter barriers related to navigation difficulty, poor readability, technical complexity, and limited accessibility features. Because these challenges can discourage website use, it is important that the design support the unique needs of this population. Task scenario 1 is about a user looking to move to the Villages. They start by opening the Villages homepage located at www.villages.com. From there, they open the Homes menu, which brings them to housing-related options, and they select Becoming a Villager. The user is then directed to information for prospective residents. From here, they review the home options. Next, they select the verandas from the many different options. Then the veranda floor plan options will be displayed. From here, the user views the veranda model options. Multiple veranda home models and specifications are shown. The user then selects the Ottawa, and they're provided with detailed information about the Ottawa model. They verify that the requirements are met through the Ottawa model, which is a minimum of 3 bedrooms, 12-car garage, and a price between $400,000 and $700,000. Once confirmed, the user task is complete. The second scenario is booking a tee time, since the Villages has an avid golfing population. First, the user will open the Villages homepage. Next, they will hover over the lifestyle menu, where a lifestyle subcategory menu options will be displayed. Next, they select golf from the submenu. A new page is displayed showing golf-related options. They then select Championship Golf, and the Championship Golf courses will be displayed in a new page. They review the 17 courses and decide they would like to play the Lopez Legacy course. Once selecting the Lopez Legacy course, the course page is then displayed. From here, they will select Book a Tee Time from the quick links, and the tee time booking page is displayed. The user will then input the date they want to play, the time they want to play, and how many players will be in their group. Once this is complete, they finish the task by booking the tee time. This slide shows my redesigned homepage. The redesign removes distracting video content and replaces numerous menu choices with 3 clear categories: visitors, future residents, and current residents. These categories align directly with user goals and reduce the amount of decision-making required. I also enlarged and clearly labeled accessibility options in the bottom left-hand corner so users can immediately recognize the accommodations that are available. Overall, the homepage is designed to present only the most important information and reduce cognitive burden for older adults. When a user selects future residents from the homepage, they are brought here, the future residents page. The design allows users to search homes directly from the page while also providing clearly visible links to neighborhoods, moving resources, home models, and frequently asked questions. A consistent layout is maintained throughout the site, and users can easily return to the homepage at any time. This design promotes familiarity and gives users a strong sense of control while navigating the website. From task scenario 1 for our future residents, they're able to input their criteria for a home search and click the search button. They're then presented with the search results page, showing them all the available homes that meet their criteria. The available homes are presented visually and clearly, allowing users to compare options without needing to remember information from previous pages. Navigation controls allow users to begin new search or return to previous pages, reducing frustration and supporting a simpler user experience. These features are particularly important for older adults who may experience memory or cognitive challenges. My redesign aligns with several of Nielsen's usability heuristics. The minimalist homepage supports aesthetic and minimalist design by removing unnecessary distractions. The simplified menu structure improves recognition rather than recall by using clear labels that match real-world user needs. The design also supports user control and freedom through clearly marked navigation options and exit paths. Consistent layouts across pages provide familiarity and predictability. Finally, larger text, stronger contrast, and prominent accessibility features help accommodate age-related vision and cognitive challenges while making the website more accessible overall. In closing, this project taught me several important lessons. First, designing for older adults requires empathy, patience, and an understanding of the challenges associated with aging and technology adoption. Second, I learned how usability heuristics can guide thoughtful and evidence-based design decisions. Third, I gained a greater appreciation for how physical and cognitive changes affect technology use. Well-designed technology can support independence, accessibility, and aging in place, but only if it is simple enough for older adults to use confidently. Thank you so much for your time.